So I bet you get real pissed off with that phone on.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? She just hiding.
So, Corbett, let's talk.
No.
Come on.
No.
I'm recording.
Look, I don't
Yes,
give a
ma'am.
fuck. Okay.
So,
Where'd you put it at?
come on, Cameron, let's talk.
What? What are we talking about?
What just happened?
Some stupid bitch put the speaker in the microwave. Now they about to go to jail.
Somebody going to jail. Somebody going to jail.
You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
Okay.
Big Bubba waiting for you at the door.
So basically, what happened was the whole wing
Basically, what happened was
just got put on restriction because somebody was stupid enough to put
I'm still going
a speaker inside the microwave. And we're like, really? Why? Why would you put a speaker in a microwave?
E6 also has.
He could have killed us. This is a
That
message.
song was just fire.
This is a message to whoever put that in there.
You a dumbass.
Could have killed us.
That song was just.
And I would have whooped your ass. I would have horned at you.
I wouldn't be complaining.
I would have had a few things to say. I would have came haunt your ass.
Bitches sitting.
Man, bitches sitting out there fucking bitching. Yeah. Hey, when you done reading that book, think I can read it?
Nobody.
I've been done reading it. You gotta talk. Corbett's reading it right now. Think I can read it after him?
My first day trying to vlog, and here's what happens. Shit happens. At least something to talk. Something to talk about. I'm not complaining.
That's why I be in my room.
So tell
I
her,
can't warm it up.
tell us what happened.
There was a bunch of fuck niggas. That's what the fuck they
Hey, what you like to eat?
I can't warm it up.
I got
I got that shit. I got that
Yeah, what's up?
Wait, who win?
What up?
I wasn't
That
even
fucking
Is that microwave? I thought you had chicken. How much chicken you got?
The whole lobby just smells like burnt metal. They're just trying to spray some stuff to get rid of the smell, but it's still.
This shit, bro. All this shit. Huh?
Dominic, do you have anything to say?
Man, these niggas just childish. They act like some adult.
For real.
You ain't never lying on that, bro. A lot of people over here all childish as a bitch, but they don't want to take up to their own shit.
I'm starting to think there's not a single adult here. Bro, not even you.
Yeah, at least I do. At least I'm here. I'm doing the right thing, though.
You think you are.
Hey, I'm doing what I gotta do to get out. I'm almost done with my freaking trade.
Honestly, I can be childish at times.
Yeah, so can I.
Going to jail.
Like, we love to.
Somebody's going to jail. Somebody's going to jail.
Corey. Whoever did it, you're going to jail.
I think.
You're
I
gonna
think-
get fucked in the ass. You're going to jail.
I think we all understand that. But,
That's considered arson.
like, the question just keeps coming back. Like, why?
Who the fuck puts a speaker in a microwave?
We can talk about it all day.
I don't know. One
but
time I accidentally put a spoon in the microwave.
we're never gonna get an answer. That's different.
I've done that before, but it didn't cause no fucking fire.
Like, you know, the usual fork in the toaster, it happens.
Yeah, I've done it when I was younger.
You zapped yourself with a fork and a toaster?
Yeah. But,
Hey,
That's not the point.
That shit fucking hurts, bro.
Yeah, what the fuck though?
alright.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure that shit out.
It's getting to the point where this place is just, my
It's like
standard.
a fucking circus.
It's like standards are just dropping every day.
It's like a fucking circus in this
I
bitch.
can go on the roof with a shitload of popcorn and just freaking eat popcorn because it's a movie every day.
Going up on a Tuesday.
Well, on a Tuesday.
He knows what he want to say.
Andre,
What?
down.
In Carville, it's going up on a Tuesday. Andre, come here, I'm vlogging. So tell me, Andre.
Yeah,
No,
not
come
right
here.
now. Not right now.
Come on.
Not
Come on.
right now,
Come
buddy.
on. Come on.
Not right now, buddy.
Come on.
I'm not. I'm in a fucking
I just want you to describe what happened.
We almost died.
Can't get any better than that.
You're making a vlog.
This is everybody's just a nervous wreck right now. Besides Justin, I'm pretty sure he's calm as fuck right
knows
now.
that he ain't saying shit.
Whoever did it, you go into jail.
Whoever did it, I better grow some fucking balls and come out with it.
Fuck no, you know what kind of jail time you do for that shit?
I don't give a fuck.
Nah,
Well-
nigga. Fuck that.
Then we're on federal property. That only makes things
this is
worse.
government property, dude. That's
on their
fucking.
fucking body.
That's arson on federal
That's on
ground.
their body though. I don't care. They need to man up and come up with this shit.
Look, they was trying to recreate the whole fucking
Someone
clown
knows.
thing going on.
Can Vic and Trail knows who
Make
done it.
explosion.
He just ain't saying.
Well,
How can Trey?
There are things to be learned from this.
like
Don't
what?
fuck with the
Speakers
person.
and microwaves. And secondly, if you're gonna put a speaker in the microwave,
How you know they can?
don't do it on government property.
What we just have to say? Cantrell knows exactly. Who
Well-
done it. He just ain't saying shit because he fucks with the person.
Conclusion of day one.
Who came up and said that?
Oh man,
Who came up and said that? I didn't hear what you said.
too much.
But I don't believe
So
him. I don't really
stupid.
don't believe shit.
Okay, bye.
When that sleeps in your
So
room.
stupid.
Hold on.
Say peace, guys.
For real. Doses.